Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 337 or Qualified Seduction. Qualified seduction is committed as follows. First, the seduction of a minor, 16 and over, but 18 years of age, committed by any person in public authority, priest, home servant, domestic guardian, teacher, or any person who, in any capacity, shall be entrusted with the education or custody of the minor seduced. Second, seduction by any person who shall induce his sister or descendant, whether or not she is a virgin or over 18 years of age. Discuss natin isa-isa. First, the seduction of a minor, 16 and over, but 18 years of age, committed by any person in public authority, priest, home servant, domestic guardian, teacher, or any person who, in any capacity, shall be entrusted with the education or custody of the minor seduced. May apat itong elements upang maging liable dito sa una. First, offended party is a minor. Second, the offended party is 16 and over but under 18 years of age. So, 16 and 17 years old po ang victims po dito sa una. Ito actually yung new law natin. Sa old rule po natin, dito sa una, it is a seduction of a virgin over 12 years and under 18 years of age. Dapat virgin yung victim at over 12 but under 18. However, Republic Act 11648 amended Article 337. Wala nang requirement na virgin dapat yung victim at ang victim ay pwede ng babae o lalaki. Third, offender had sexual intercourse with the offended party. Fourth, there is abuse of authority, confidence, or relationship on the part of the offender. Dito po sa unang act, may consent po ang victim sa sexual intercourse. Yun nga lang po, may abuse of authority, confidence, or relationship on the part of the offender. Paano pag wala talagang consent pero may sexual intercourse? Rape na po yan. What if yung victim mas mababa sa 16 years old? Rape na po ang possible crime niya. Please watch our video regarding statutory rape. Possible crime lang po yung rape. May mga requirements din po para makapasok ito sa crime na rape. Sino yung mga offenders dito? Very specific po yung batas natin na sila yung offenders dito sa crime na ito. First, person in public authority. Second, priest. Third, house servant. Fourth, domestic servant. Fifth, guardian. Sixth, teacher, one entrusted with the education or custody of the offended party. Example, yung teacher laging binibigyan yung 17 years old student niya ng special favors. Laging binibigyan ng mataas na grades at may special treatment which is not given to other students. Eventually, because of this, pumayag si 17 years old na makipag-sex kay teacher. Dito, si teacher pwedeng liable sa article na ito. Second act, seduction by any person who shall seduce his sister or descendant, whether or not she is a virgin or over 18 years of age. May tatlong elements upang maging liable dito sa pangalawa. First, offended party need not be a virgin or she may be over 18 years old. Dito sa pangalawa, walang requirement of virginity at age, regardless kung ano man ang age niya. Second, offender had sexual intercourse with her. Third, offender is her brother or ascendant, whether legitimate or illegitimate. Ang victim po dito ay kapatid na babae or descendants like anak or apo. So, ang offender po dito ay kapatid na lalaki, regardless kung older or younger siya or ascendants like parents or grandparents. Again, dito sa qualified seduction, may consent po ang victim. Yun nga lang, may abuse of authority, confidence, or relationship on the part of the offender. This is to differentiate it from rape. Sa rape kasi wala talagang consent yung victim. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.